What up, YouTube fam? The man, the myth, the ZX Predator coming at you with another video. And as you see, I couldn't do an unboxing, but I did pick up a new. I'm a collector of sorts, so I got different armors. I have Icon. I have I have two Icons, a couple other vests, but this one right here makes me feel like freaking something out of Man of Steel, the Zack Snyder version. So, with that said, this has probably the coolest fit. I like that it has a sub layer underneath it. Pretty cool, and it gives me a good back support and whatnot. So far, so good. I'm liking it. And I guess my other camera decided to pop up, but this one feels really cool, really futuristic style, and it gives me the extra support that I need, you know. But I'm really digging this. This is good stuff, you know. Nice and tight. I could get the guns out. Ooh, you know, a little bulky up front, but I could put a vest over it, as you can see here. Very breathable, very nice. Got the nice D3, you know, armor on the elbows and whatnot. But man, I feel like RoboCop 2014, you know. But it looks cool. Gives me enough. I feel protected enough. I feel light enough to handle business with it. Yeah, you can put a vest over it, no problem. You know, feel good. So you'll be seeing this on the channel a lot more, you know. So the other, you know, vests that I had, I kind of, you know, grew out of them, you know. So I put on some weight, as you know, not just from inactivity, but I had the back surgery, and then they put me on steroids or recovery steroids to speed up healing. And one of the side effects of that was gaining weight, you know. So this one is a triple XL. So that kind of, for those of you who haven't met me in person, kind of gives you a gauge on my size. I'm 250 pounds. That's 6 foot even. So I got the D3 armor on the side. Man, I'm liking this. I feel like a superhero on this. But if some of you already have this, leave your comments down below. This alpinestars. This is probably the best feeling, best form-fitting vest I've ever purchased. This was good stuff, you know. And I'm gonna give a big shout out once I do another review with it on the camera. So I rode home in it. Felt a little tight at first. I gotta lower the back protector so that my helmet isn't, you know, interfering with it. But I just recently adjusted the front, you know, and trying to see if I can reach to it. But this is pretty damn cool. This is probably one of the coolest that I got so far. And I've seen some of my friends with this, and I kind of see why. This one, it fits like a glove. It's really nice, really nice. And the fact that I could put a vest over it without any problem, you know. And, you know, those of you who saw my UD replica, you know, test fitting, this kind of has the same feel, but softer. This is all the D3 armor, flexible, nice and lightweight. Oh, yeah, this is the one of choice. But I'm very limited on what I can wear with underneath it, you know. So got like my Under Armour thin shirt with it. So for hot days, this is what you're gonna see. But let me know what you think. Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe. The man, the myth, the ZXP. See ya on the next one. Peace.